A 1 month update on the Moori fry, caterpillar Moori dolphin, blue dolphin, hump head dolphin. We have 13 inside of here. Unfortunately, the mother has gave me 17 babies the other day, and I added them inside of here, and these guys ate all 17. So yeah, they're doing fine and great. I'll add the link in to day 1 so you can see the progress they are making. I think they're pretty fast growers. Hard to see, you see. Sorry about that distortion there. But yeah, all 13 are still in there doing their thing. Moori Dolphins. One month update. Keep posted. Thanks for watching. 10 Gallon Grow Out.